I'm going to show you how to make a perfectly baked potato using just your microwave. So here's what you'll need: a potato, a fork, a microwavable safe plate, paper towels, and optional toppings like butter, salt, and cheese. So step 1, wash your potato. Potatoes grow in the dirt and we don't want any of that on our plate. After it's clean, grab a fork, preferably not the one that you use to stir your coffee, and give it a good stabbing. Make sure to do this on both sides, not because it owes you money, but because the steam needs to escape. Without these holes, your potato might explode in the microwave, and while that sounds like a fun science experiment, it's really just a mess you don't want to clean up. Step number 2, place the potato on a microwavable safe plate. This is important for catching any steam or juices that may escape. You could even consider putting a couple sheets of paper towels down on the plate too. Step 3, microwave it. For an average sized potato, start with 5 minutes on high power. If your potato is slightly larger, you may need 6 to 8 minutes in total, but don't worry, we're going to check halfway through just to make sure it's cooked evenly. After the first 5 minutes, carefully check the potato. Use a towel or even an oven mitt because it's going to be very hot. Then gently poke the potato with a fork. If it slides in very easily, it's done. If it's still firm, put it back in the microwave for another 1 to 2 minutes at a time, checking after each interval until it's soft and cooked all the way through. Once your potato is cooked, let it rest for a minute or two on the side and then carefully slice it open. Just watch out for any steam. Then we can fluff up the insides with a fork and get ready to add your favorite toppings. Now you can basically add whatever toppings you want, salt, butter, it's entirely up to you. And that's it, a perfectly baked potato cooked in the microwave in under 10 minutes. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.